Hi everyone, my name is Charlie and I'm from Life Before Plastic. Life Before Plastic is an online plastic free shop where you can get all sorts of bits and bobs for your household that are all eco-friendly, most of which are vegan, cruelty-free and also plastic free. So today's a little bit of a show and tell session, so I'm going to show you various products, how to use them, and they might be things that you haven't heard of before or easy swaps that you can make in your household. So without further ado, I'm going to crack on. So the first thing that I want to show you today is a cleaning solution. So what this is Ocean Saver. Ocean Savers are these little sachets of concentrated cleaning liquid. So inside they look like this. So this one is a glass cleaner that I'm going to show today. So what you do with this is you pop it into a bottle. I've got a glass bottle here with a spray lid, but you can just use another plastic one that you've had previously. The whole thing about being zero waste is using things that you already have. So with this, you just fill it with water from your tap, and then you're going to pop the Ocean Saver directly into here. So I'm going to do this now and then show you how it dilutes, hopefully by the end of everything else that I'm showing you today. So with this, you literally pop it in the top, push it all the way down, and then it'll go into the liquid and it'll start to dissolve. So I'm going to put the lid back on, give it a bit of a shake, and then it'll start to dissolve. So I'll show you how that is going to progress today. So that's the first thing. What I love about those as well is that they're really affordable. So one of these is £1.50. That's just as much as it costs to get a cleaning liquid in a plastic bottle, but this way it's much lighter, so you're not burning as many fuels in transporting it, and you're not buying water, which is what a lot of a cleaning solution actually is. So that's my first swap. Sticking on the theme of cleaning, my next favourite swap is this, which is a Marseille soap bar. What I love about this is many different things. It is a multi-purpose soap bar, so you can use it for just about everything when it comes to cleaning. Personally, I use this by grating it, mixing it with water, bicarbonate of soda and vinegar, and making a homemade laundry liquid, laundry detergent. You can also use it when washing your dishes. So if you pair this with a coconut scrubber made from coconut, then you literally just rub water on it and you can wash your plates. So I do that as well. You can also use it as a shampoo bar, as a soap bar for your skin. You can use it just for washing anything, if you want to clean your bathroom, your toilet, any surfaces, anything like that, then you can use this as well. So it is a vegetarian vegan made from olive oil and an excellent swap if you want something that's multi-purpose. Alongside that, one thing that I always say is the easiest thing to swap to that you don't necessarily consider is soap. Lots of people though prefer shower gel, but there is an alternative now, so you can still get one of these. So this is a shower block. What it is a shower gel but in soap bar form. So I wish you could smell this. This is what the bar looks like, and it is really heavily scented, so it smells just like those shower gels that you get. This one is mango and passion fruit, and you can really smell it. This will last such a long time, just as long as a shower gel bottle, if not longer, and you're not really missing out on anything as you've got the scent as well, and it's super easy to use. Moving swiftly on, we've also got toothpaste. So toothpaste often comes, as you know, in a plastic tube, but you can now get toothpaste that tastes just the same as any of the ones that you would traditionally get, but it's packaged in a glass jar. So this one, for example, this is Banana's toothpaste, and inside, this is a new one that I haven't used yet. So inside you can see the toothpaste. It's sort of a similar consistency. So I'd use it with my toothbrush. You can get a little wooden spatula that comes with it, but I'll just show you if I dip my toothbrush into it. There you can see it's pretty similar consistency, and it tastes just as minty and fresh. And you can get those with and without fluoride depending on where you sit in that debate and if you'd like to use a toothpaste that has fluoride in it. Other swaps, so another one that's unusual that people don't think about are plasters. So plasters are made from plastic, they don't disappear once you use them, they're there forever, ending up in landfill or unfortunately sometimes in the environment. But these plasters, what they are is biodegradable plasters. So they take just as long to compost, to degrade, as an orange peel. So once you've done it, you can pop it in your general waste or into your food waste bin. But if you really wanted to test it, you could even bury it in the ground and just see how long it takes to disappear. It should take about 6 weeks to completely disappear. So that's a swap that people often haven't heard of, but is such an ingenious swap. Another thing that I use really frequently, so when I'm cleaning my face or cleansing my face in the evening, I use these. These are reusable cotton pads. So the ones you get are obviously normally made from cotton and they have some toxic chemicals in them, use it to keep it all together. But these work just as well. So you can use whatever it is that you use to cleanse your face. I use micellar water and you literally just pour it on there and cleanse your face as you would normally. And then once you're done, you can pop them all into a little bag, or these ones, they come in a bag, so you can put them all back in here and put them in your washing machine and then reuse them again and again. So they last a really long time, much longer than that one use, single use, and then throw away as you do with the ordinary ones. Another thing that I use, again, more skincare. If you shave, then I really recommend switching to a safety razor. So this is a reusable razor. I'll have this my entire life as long as I look after it properly. All that you do is change the razor blade inside. So it has a handle that you can just twist off. And then inside there, if you take this off, there is a razor blade. So you can see that blade there. And that's the only thing that you need to replace. And because that is metal, it is really easily recyclable, one of the easiest things to recycle. So you can use this as you would normally shaving, just with a shaving soap. And if I just think about how many disposable razors I've saved by using this, it's quite unbelievable. So if you do shave, then I really recommend switching to a safety razor. The final thing that I wanted to show you today, this really is a whistle-stop tour of zero waste items, is a beeswax wrap. So a beeswax wraps, you can also get other wax wraps that are made with tree resin, so they're vegan. So this is just a piece of cloth that has got beeswax or tree resin wax on it, and it can be used for food storage. So you can get them in all funky different patterns. This one's got puffins on it. But all you do is you take your food item. Here I'm just going to use my Marseille soap as it's here. You can pop it on and then you just fold your beeswax wrap around the item and you use your hands to seal it. So the heat from your hands will seal the beeswax wrap. I use this for my sandwiches. You can use it for leftovers, so over a bowl to keep it fresh. You literally just press it together and then it holds in that shape. It really is ingenious, keeping things fresh. What's even better for this is rather than having a lunchbox that you take and it doesn't disappear, once you've eaten your food or whatever it is that you've got, you can literally flatten it. I roll them up and keep them in my drawer with tin foil and bits and bobs like that, and then you can just keep reusing them again and again. Once they come to the end of their life, you can either get extra bits of wax and iron it on and make it yourself and reuse it, or you can use it as a really good fire lighter. So it really does do its job right till the end, and there is no waste with a beeswax wrap. Right, so in that whistle stop tour, we've now got to this stage, so you can see that sachet is completely diluting there, so you can actually see it's still doing its bit. And all that I do then before I use it, I have to wait for it to properly dilute, and then there you can see it's turning this beautiful blue colour. So that's my glass cleaner ready to go, and just think about how much weight I've saved by buying it in a little sachet, and also just how much plastic that saves by reusing the bottle that you already have. So yeah, that's just a quick stop tour of all these different products. I hope that you've seen something new that you hadn't heard of before. All of this stuff is available on my website, which is www.lifebeforeplastic.com, and you're welcome to message us on our website or drop us an email. We're always happy to help with any questions that you might have on switching to reusable and plastic-free, eco-friendly items. Thanks so much. Thanks.